Today, I will show you how to change avatar to profile picture in Duolingo. So if you go to your profile picture settings right here, if we just click on the cogwheel, as you can see, you can change your avatar, but you can't change it with a profile picture. Now that is because once you create an avatar, you can no longer do it. However, there's a way of how you can bypass this. So basically, you want to open up your phone's browser. I'm going to show you on a PC because it's easier for me. I have it loaded up right here. So basically, you open up Google Chrome or whichever browser you use and you log in into the Duolingo website. Now from here, what we have to do is click on Profile, and then we select the pencil icon and profile picture. We can actually choose a file from our PC. Now the process is the same for phone. So basically, you just log in into duolingo.com through your browser, and then you use desktop mode to actually choose a picture. So that's how you change your avatar to profile picture in Duolingo. Thank you for watching.